Struggling to turn ideas into solutions people actually use? You're in the right place. In Design Thinking Fundamentals, you learn a practical, human-centered system to solve real problems with evidence, not opinions. You'll master the 5 stages: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test, so you can move from assumptions to validated outcomes. You'll build core human skills: empathy, active listening, collaboration, and leadership presence to run better interviews, workshops, and decisions. Hands-on templates guide you in empathy maps, journey maps, problem framing, ideation bursts, low-fidelity prototypes, and usability tests. Finally, you'll pilot an MVP, measure impact with simple KPIs, manage change, and scale what works confidently. This course is for product and UX pros, engineers, analysts, entrepreneurs, and team leads adopting human-centered, agile ways of working. Enroll now and start creating evidence-backed solutions users love.